If you're looking to learn how to use Zoom, but you don't know where to start, you are in the right place. Let's start with the most easiest element, which is having an actual Zoom account. I'm going to go into zoom.us. Inside here, you want to look out for the element that says sign up for free. When you click inside here, it will be asking you to get started with your birth year. So I will be inputting my birth year and go for continue. Then you can choose to sign up with an actual email address or to sign up with an SSO, Apple, Google, Facebook, or Microsoft account. To make this process really fast, I will be choosing the element that says Google. Inside here, I will be choosing my Gmail account and I'm going to grant the access between my Google and the Zoom to access to my basic information. When you choose this element, it will be giving you the welcomed. So here I wanted to go for the element that says create my account. Now, the next thing to do is to get started into the Zoom website. You can scroll down to the bottom folder and look out for the download section if you wanted to. Or simply go to the download and you can download the button under the Zoom desktop client. If you are into an actual computer, what I can strongly suggest to you, look out for the Zoom desktop client if you are into the computer or the mobile device. Open the application into the App Store or into the Google Play. In our case, we want to look out here for these three dots. And here, let's click into the element that says download the Zoom application. Now, you can use the Zoom application into the web browser, but it will be much more faster and easier to get started to getting the application into your, in this case, my computer. Now here, just needed to wait a few seconds till the Zoom has now been correctly installed into my device. Now that you have correctly installed the Zoom, let's open this. Let's go for OK, let's go for done, and let's go for sign in. I'm going to do exactly the same thing that I did directly inside here. I'm going to choose the same account so I can have now access into the application. And just like that, I am now having access into Zoom, but now via the application. The next step is to joining a meeting that someone else is hosting. This is the most common way people use Zoom. So usually the host will be sending you an invitation via email, text, or a messaging application. This invitation will contain a direct web link. All you have to do is click to that specific link. Let's say, for example, that I go for the element that says a new meeting. This is what's going to happen when somebody sends you an actual link. I'm going to go for start. And there we go. Here I will be having now an actual Zoom meeting. So the person who wants to invite you to the specific Zoom will be choosing the element that says participants. Copy invite link. And you will be receiving this specific invite link. All you need to do is to go directly into your browser, paste the invite link, and go for enter. What's going to happen here is that automatically Zoom will be understanding that this is an actual Zoom meeting. If you hit into the element that says allow and you sign in directly into your Zoom application, it will be automatically redirect you into the actual Zoom meeting. Now, to manage your audio and video settings once you are inside the actual call, before you actually enter the room, Zoom will show you a preview window and ask you if you wanted to join to the computer audio and videos. Always try to select with join computer with audio and video, and it will be appearing something like this. So in my case, I can choose the camera available, which is this one. You can blur your background if you want to, out of frame the video, or get more video and effect settings into this section. If you choose the element that says audio, you can enable, for example, noise removal, select the speakers while you want to listen to the actual meeting, and select the microphone which you like to use to get started. And lastly, you can test the speaker and microphone before you are inside here. And there you go. We are now inside the Zoom section. Down here you have the number of the participants who are directly into the Zoom meeting, the chat section where you can chat with all of your participants, the reaction mode, and you can get this, for example, to share your screen, more tools, and the host tools. So this is a really easily solution how you can actually get started with Zoom. If you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.